Hi, I'm Sid Sahrawat here at the French Café with Woop. This dish is a homage to real French classic flavors. So it's got a spiced chicken breast with black garlic butter, caramelized potatoes, kumara, and a pea Ragù. So this dish is a bit more cooking and less prep. So we're going to roast off kumara and potatoes first, and then when they're halfway caramelized, we're going to add these green beans. So all I do to these green beans is just kind of 3 pieces from each bean. First thing we're going to do is get the chicken on and the kumara with the potatoes. So they kind of will cook similar time. Again, really hot pan, so caramelizes very nicely. Straight in the oven. So while the chicken and the potato and kumara are caramelizing, we're going to start cooking the spinach in garlic butter, black garlic butter, and warm the pea Ragù. Let's have a taste of the seasoning. Oh, yum. Don't warm it too much because you want the peas to stay that nice freshness in there. So about a tablespoon. I put the baby spinach. Touch more. Never enough spinach, right? And this has to be, again, nice high heat, so it wilts really fast. Oh, you can smell that black garlic straight away. Amazing. And you don't want to cook it too much. That kind of consistency is beautiful. Chicken looks like caramelizing nicely. Look at that color. Yum. Let's season this one a bit more with salt. If you have a bit of black garlic left, I would just put that in here too, so it can taste the same right through the dish. Green beans going in. Now give it a nice toss. Look at those colors. Back in the oven for a minute. Chicken looks nicely cooked. Now we're just going to let it rest for about 5 minutes. That's come out pretty good, huh? So now I'm going to quickly slice this chicken a little bit on an angle so it's got a nice kind of way of sitting on the plate. Plate the potato, kumara, and green beans. Smells amazing. And a little bit of this baby spinach. Just give it a quick mix. Get a little bit of fine dining at home. Sorted. These maple almonds, which will work really nicely with all the different flavors together. And then finish off with the sauce. Give it a nice mix. Don't give it that little burst of flavor. I'll just go a little bit all around. So here's our spiced chicken breast with black garlic butter and pea Ragù. Enjoy.